how to transfer money using Taptap Send. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, you will first have to open your account on Taptap Send, then choose your country or the recipient's country where you are sending the money. And after that, you need to type the amount that you are sending in, then click on next. After that, you need to add some details about the person you are sending the money to and also your details as well. After providing the details like the address and phone number and all sort of information, you would require to provide the payment details as well, the bank details and all sort of details where the money will be sent. Now, you would also require to provide the date of birth of the recipient as well as your date of birth. So make sure that you have this information. After that, you can review all the information that you just provided. After that, you need to verify before making this particular transaction. You would require to upload your documents, and after verification, you would be able to successfully do this particular transaction. And this is how you would be able to transfer the money using Taptap Send. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.